Hey, tool fans! We're here with an exciting video of 5 woodworking tools. These tools will help all the professional carpenters and DIY enthusiasts to level up their working process. So now, buckle up and get ready to watch our video on 5 woodworking projects that are on another level. Any woodworker will love this tool. Yup, it's an edge corner plane that softens all uneven edges with some simple strokes. With the 90-degree sole and adjustable blade, you can easily glide along the corner of your board. Not enough for you? Wait, the easy edge can be used for chamfers, 1/4-inch radius, 3/16 radius, and 1/8 radius. Surprisingly, it delivers flawless cuts, even on the highly figured maples. In addition, each easy edge comes with a wall-mountable racket so that you can store it easily after every use. Would you still think it's unworthy? You may get confused by its name, but let me tell you, it's going to be your next sanding solution. Yeah, you'll love to have this compact manual sander for the small to medium-sized surfaces. You can change the sandpapers in seconds for a wide variety of materials. And the fun part begins when you can detach the knob for better gripping and attach the sander with long poles for reaching heights. Do you need more from it? How many times have you messed up in the drilling? You better go with this DrillBlock Plus, a handheld drill guide for making straight holes at the same time. Wondering how? Take a closer look and you'll know the way. It fits everywhere, on every surface you meet. Thanks to its 9 common solid steel bushing sizes, now you can make whatever size hole you need. Want to know another cool part? The vertical centering notches on each side will let you hit the bullseye every time. Perfect tool for pro guys. Wood carving is the most crucial part of woodworking. This Arbortech mini carver will make it way easier for you. Thinking how? It has a sturdy tungsten carbide blade and variable speed adjustment that will let you reach out to the best result of any creation. You can do timber removing, freehand shaping, and detailed carving at the toughest places easily. Hold on, the dust collection method is also here to keep you free from dirt. If you're dealing with wood sculptures, this thing is a must for you. Repeatedly bending over to move logs can cause you extreme back strain and even lead to injury. So here is something you'll definitely appreciate. This LogOX Forestry MultiTool will add some fun to your log-moving tasks. Sounds interesting? The unique hook design of this tool will securely hold the logs and allow you to move from here to there quickly. Well, you can lift up even the larger logs by attaching the handle extension to the hauler. Now you can save your effort and time. And this concludes our list of the 5 woodworking projects that are on another level. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.